Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be feeding the cats. The cats are not here. We will see them in a future episode. We don't know when, but we're gonna go start feeding those cats. Yes, let's go in. Itchy. Come on. Here is the habitat of little catties. So we're going to go and start putting it right here. So the food, we're going to place it right here. A very nice spot for cats. And then we're going to get the milk and put it over here. So start doing that. Milk goes right in here. Nice. Now we're gonna put the water right here into this bowl. There you go. Now we have to wait for the cat. So here we go. We have done it. Bye guys. Have a great day. This is feeding the cats.